Turkey has demonstrated rapid development in various strategic industrial sectors, including defense and aerospace. One of its most notable achievements is the country's involvement in the assembly process of the world's most advanced Airbus Aircoke. This move not only strengthens Turkey's position on the global stage, but also marks a major transformation in the country's technological and manufacturing capabilities. Airbus is known as one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers. With a variety of advanced aircraft models used by international airlines, Turkey's involvement in Airbus projects is not new. But its increasingly significant role in component assembly and system integration demonstrates the growing confidence of global partners in the quality of Turkish industry. Turkish aerospace. Companies, such as Turkish Aerospace Industries, (TAI), have become key players in the Airbus supply chain. They manufacture various critical components, including fuselage sections, wing structures, and certain electronic systems. In some recent projects, Turkey has even been involved in more complex assembly processes. The aircraft assembly line is the heart of the manufacturing process in the aviation industry. This is where complex components, from the fuselage structure and wings to the avionics system and engines, are assembled into a single unit ready for testing and operation. In this latest project, Turkey is a strategic partner in the design and integration of cutting-edge technology. This new, jointly designed Airbus aircraft features various advanced technologies. One key focus is fuel efficiency. By using lightweight carbon fiber-based materials and a more aerodynamic wing design, this aircraft is expected to significantly reduce fuel consumption compared to previous generations. On the assembly line, production is carried out with a very high level of precision. Each component is inspected using digital scanning technology and artificial intelligence to ensure there are no manufacturing defects. Turkey is contributing to the development of an AI-based quality control system capable of detecting potential errors early in production. 3.137 beyond the technical aspects. This project also has a significant economic impact. Turkey's involvement creates new jobs and enhances technology transfer to local industries. Engineers and technicians gain hands-on experience working with international standards, enhancing the competency of human resources in the sector. Airbus also benefits from supply chain diversification and production costs. Efficiencies. Equally important is the aspect of digital innovation in the assembly line. This project utilizes a smart factory concept where the entire production process is integrated into an interconnected digital system. IoT sensors, real-time data analytics, and robotic automation are used to increase efficiency and reduce human error. Turkey has played a role in developing this digital infrastructure, including a virtual simulation system for design testing before physical production begins. In terms of interior design, this aircraft also offers enhanced passenger comfort. The cabin is designed with adaptive lighting, the latest entertainment system, and more stable air pressure regulation to reduce fatigue during long-haul flights. All of this demonstrates that innovation focuses not only on technical performance, but also on the user experience. However, this ambitious project certainly faces various challenges. Cross-border coordination, differing industry standards, and technological complexity are obstacles that must be overcome. Solid project management and effective communication between teams across multiple locations are required. In this regard, Airbus and Turkey have developed a digital collaboration system that enables real-time coordination. Overall, Turkey's involvement in designing the world's most advanced Airbus aircraft marks a new chapter in the global aviation industry. This is not just about creating a better aircraft, but also about building an international collaboration ecosystem that fosters continuous innovation. With its combination of advanced technology, competent human resources, and a long-term vision, this project has the potential to become a significant milestone in aerospace history. Going forward, the success of this project could open opportunities for other countries to participate in aviation technology development. This will accelerate global innovation and set new standards in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Turkey, through its role in the Airbus assembly line, has demonstrated that collaboration and strategic investment can propel a country to the forefront of the global high-tech industry. Turkey's involvement in this project is not without reason. In recent decades, the country has invested heavily in the defense and aerospace industries. Local companies have developed capabilities in composite material production, aviation electronics systems, and aircraft structural engineering. With this experience, Turkey is now able to contribute to more complex stages, including preliminary design and aerodynamic optimization. One of the key factors driving this success is its substantial investment in research and development (R&D). The Turkish government consistently allocates funds to strengthen technological innovation, particularly in the aerospace sector. Collaboration between universities, research institutions, and industry also plays a crucial role in developing competent human resources. Furthermore, Turkey leverages its strategic geographical position as a bridge between Europe and Asia. This facilitates logistical coordination and component distribution within Airbus's global supply chain, a continuously developing industrial infrastructure, including a dedicated aerospace industrial park, contributes to production efficiency. Turkey's participation in the assembly of Airbus's most advanced aircraft also has a significant economic impact. Thousands of jobs have been created, both directly and indirectly, supporting industries such as metal, manufacturing, electronics, and information technology have also experienced growth. Furthermore, technology transfer from Airbus provides significant added value to local industrial development. Geopolitically, this step also strengthens Turkey's position as a strategic partner in the high-tech sector. With its capability to assemble advanced aircraft, Turkey is not only a technology consumer, but also a respected producer. This provides leverage in international relations, particularly with European countries. However, this journey is not without challenges. Airbus's extremely high-quality standards demand consistency and precision at every stage of production. Turkey must continuously improve its quality control system, workforce training, and adapt to the latest technologies such as automation and digitalization in manufacturing. Furthermore, global political dynamics can also impact this cooperation. Geopolitical tensions or international trade policies have the potential to become obstacles. Therefore, Turkey needs to maintain stable diplomatic relations and ensure compliance with international standards. Looking ahead, the prospects for the Turkish aerospace industry look very promising. With its growing experience in Airbus projects, Turkey has the potential to enhance its role as a regional production hub. It is even possible that Turkey will develop its own commercial aircraft using the technology it has mastered. In conclusion, Turkey's involvement in assembling the world's most advanced Airbus aircraft represents a significant milestone in the history of the national industry. It is clear evidence that with the right strategy, sustained investment, and global collaboration, a country can move up the high-tech industrial value chain. Turkey is now not only part of the system, but also a significant contributor to the future of global aviation.